Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of redeeming a Spotify gift card in 2025. Whether you're new to Spotify or just looking for a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you redeem your gift card in no time. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Spotify account. First, open the Spotify app or visit the Spotify website on your computer or mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have a Spotify account, you can easily create one by following the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Navigate to the Redeem page. Once you're logged in, go to the Spotify Redeem page. You can do this by clicking on the profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Account from the drop-down menu. On the next screen, scroll down to find the Redeem section. Alternatively, you can directly go to the Spotify Redeem page by visiting https://www.spotify.com/redeem. Step 3. Enter your Spotify gift card code. Scratch off the back of your Spotify gift card to reveal the code. The code should be a 16-character alphanumeric combination. Enter this code into the redemption field on the Spotify website or app. Step 4. Verify the code. After entering the code, make sure it's correct and click Redeem. If the code is valid, Spotify will automatically apply the balance to your account. You might receive a confirmation message showing the value of your gift card. Step 5. Enjoy your Spotify subscription. Once your gift card has been successfully redeemed, the balance will be applied to your account. If your gift card is for a subscription upgrade like Spotify Premium, the amount will go toward your subscription, and you can enjoy uninterrupted music streaming. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials, and like this video if you found it useful. Stay tuned for more.